At first, the skin looks quiet, smooth on the surface, calm, but when we move just a little closer, the story changes. Hidden inside the pores, tiny clusters of buildup begin to appear. Blackheads nestled quietly along the nose, whiteheads sitting just beneath the surface. Congestion that has settled in, slowly, over time. This is what we are here to gently take care of today. Step by step, pore by pore. Under close observation now, the skin reveals its texture. The nose bridge shows small, darkened pores. Along the sides of the nose, blackheads have gathered. The chin carries a few congested spots. The forehead feels slightly rough to the touch. The skin surface looks a little dull. A thin layer of oil sits across the T-zone. Uneven texture makes the complexion feel heavier than it should. The skin is not damaged. It simply needs patience, attention, and care. How does this happen? Every day, the skin produces natural oil. Dead skin cells shed slowly from the surface. Dust and environmental residue settle into open pores. When oil and dead skin mix inside a pore, they form a soft plug. When that plug is exposed to air, it oxidizes. It turns dark. That is what we call a blackhead. When the plug stays covered beneath the skin, it stays pale. That becomes a whitehead. Neither one is a sign of poor hygiene. They are simply the result of everyday life on everyday skin. Now, we begin. The first step is a gentle cleanse. A soft, creamy cleanser is applied to the skin. Watch how it moves slowly across the surface. The texture is light, almost silky. It begins to lift surface oil away. The skin starts to feel softer almost immediately. The cleanser is massaged in small circular motions, around the nose, across the forehead, down along the chin. Every part of the face receiving the same quiet attention. The water rinses it away gently, and already the skin feels more ready, more open, more prepared for what comes next. The second cleanse goes a little deeper. This time a mild exfoliating formula is used. It contains fine, gentle particles. They work slowly between the pores. Not harsh, not aggressive. Just careful, controlled movement, breaking down the older buildup that the first cleanse left behind. The skin is rinsed again, pat dry with a soft cloth, and now it feels noticeably cleaner. The surface is quieter, the texture already a little smoother. This step matters. It tells the pores that something good is coming. Steam is next. A warm, soft cloud of steam moves across the skin. It hovers gently, it doesn't sting, it doesn't rush. The warmth travels down into the pores. Slowly, the buildup inside begins to soften. The edges of each clogged pore loosen just slightly. The skin surface warms and relaxes. This is one of the most calming parts of the process. Just warmth, just quiet, just the skin taking a slow, deep breath. After a few minutes, the pores are soft and ready. The steam has done its gentle work. Now, the real patience begins, and now the most satisfying part begins. A clean extraction tool is positioned carefully over the first pore. Slow, controlled, no rush. The pressure is gentle and precise. The pore releases its buildup slowly. A tiny blackhead clears from the surface. The pore underneath looks visibly lighter. We move to the next. The same calm pressure, the same slow patience. Another pore clears, along the nose now. This area carries the most congestion. Some pores take a little longer, some need a second softer press. But there is no rush here, only care, only attention. Each extraction is slow and deliberate. No skin is pulled roughly, no area is worked over harshly. One by one, the blackheads release. One by one, the pores begin to clear. The surface texture starts to shift beneath the light, smother. Quieter, calmer. We move now to the chin. A few whiteheads sit just below the surface here. The extraction is even gentler in this area. Soft pressure only. And slowly, each one releases cleanly. The forehead follows. Smaller pores here, lighter congestion. Each one clears quickly and smoothly. The skin is being listened to, every pore treated with care, every stubborn spot approached with patience. And slowly, the congestion fades. Look at the skin now. Even before we have finished, change is visible. The nose looks noticeably clearer. The pores along the bridge appear smaller and lighter. The chin feels smoother to observe. The forehead surface looks more even. The skin tone looks brighter. The heaviness of congestion is lifting. What was hidden inside all those pores is now gone, and what remains is something refreshed, something lighter. The skin is not perfect, no skin is. But it is visibly cleaner, visibly calmer. And that transformation is deeply satisfying to witness. Now the skin needs to be calmed. A gentle, alcohol-free toner is applied with a soft cotton pad. It moves across the skin in slow, careful strokes. The toner helps close the pores gently. It soothes any visible redness. It restores the skin's natural balance after the extraction process. The skin feels cooled now, settled, like it has been given something it needed for a long time. The redness fades quietly over the next few minutes. The surface looks even and calm. Hydration is the final protective step. A lightweight, gentle moisturizer is applied. It spreads easily across the skin, no heaviness, no stickiness, just quiet nourishment. The moisturizer supports the skin barrier. It tells the skin that it is safe now, that the work is done, that it can rest. Watch how the skin absorbs it slowly. The surface becomes soft and dewy. The texture feels smooth under observation. The complexion looks refreshed and gently glowing. Now a moment to see the difference. Before, the pores were filled with buildup. Blackheads and whiteheads visible across the nose, chin, and forehead. The skin surface uneven and slightly dull. Congestion sitting just beneath the skin, quietly. After, The pores look visibly cleaner. The surface appears smoother and more even. The skin tone looks brighter and more balanced. The congestion is gone. The skin looks like it has had a long, deep rest, like it has finally been given the attention it deserved. This is what gentle skincare can do. No aggression, no shortcuts. Just patience, care, and the right steps in the right order. Thank you for watching.